What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode we're going to be running the Ansman Auxilla 0.28. So yeah guys, I rebuilt this truck last year. I fixed the body up as best as I could with clear Gorilla Tape and black Gorilla Tape. You know, it works really well. I also done the inside of the body with it as well. It's a big truck, it's about the same size as a Savage XL. Obviously the Savage XL's got a big 5.9 motor and this has got a 4.28 in it. And the grass is really long here at the moment guys, so it's not going to run the best, but we'll give it a go anyway, so stay tuned for that when I get it started and I'll put us back on once it's going. It would be much appreciated guys if you could give me a massive thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one.